Using a flesh-colored pencil, I meticulously draw the hole and strive to create a perfect circle. The more precise and accurate I am, the better the end result will be. Now, I proceed to create a second circle that will determine the three-dimensionality of the hole. With the same pencil, I carefully fill in this entire area, paying close attention to the corners that are visible. It is of utmost importance to apply slightly more pressure with the pencil in order to create a denser and more pronounced shades. In contrast, for the rest of the drawing, I will adopt a looser approach to achieve a lighter filling. To intensify the corners even further and generate darker shadows, I utilize a darker brown eyeshadow, effectively adding depth to our whole. This particular step plays a pivotal role in establishing its three-dimensionality and perspective. Finally, I proceed to fill in this whole area with black watercolor, ensuring a complete and comprehensive representation of the whole. This meticulous process requires patience, precision, and a keen eye for detail. By carefully layering different mediums and adjusting the pressure and technique, I am able to bring the whole to life, capturing its depth and three-dimensionality on paper. The combination of the flesh-colored pencil, dark brown eyeshadow, and black watercolor allows me to create a realistic portrayal of the whole with varying shades and depths that add to its authenticity. It is through these deliberate and calculated steps that I am able to achieve a visually striking and accurate representation of the whole. I fill it sufficiently so that it seamlessly blends with the black background, and then I meticulously simulate a genuine and lifelike hole in the palm of my hand. To further enhance the depth and perspective of our whole, I will utilize a black eyeshadow. With precision, I will press the eyeshadow onto the corners, intensifying the darkness and creating a realistic simulation. It is crucial to concentrate on these areas and blend the eyeshadow slightly for a seamless effect. By doing so, we can achieve shadows and a natural highlight that will add depth and dimension. Once the corners are perfected, I will use a lighter pencil, slightly lighter than my skin tone, to define the perimeter of the whole. This step will ensure a clean and precise outline, enhancing the overall appearance. Paying attention to detail and focusing on the corners will result in a realistic and visually striking portrayal of the whole's depth and perspective. The combination of darker corners, blended eyeshadow, and a defined perimeter will create a sense of depth and realism. It is important to remain concentrated on the corners, as this is where the shadows and natural highlight will be most prominent. The utilization of a lighter pencil for the perimeter will provide a clear distinction and further enhance the overall effect. All of these factors will cause it to take on a greater luminosity and a greater level of profundity. My excavation is completed. I apply the final touches, and I become aware that the brush appears to be on the verge of entering the crevice. It is very realistic. I am very happy with this result. Simple, right? All in all, let's do it. Not too hard.